The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami-Dade Police Department. A nuclear emergency has been declared at the Turkey Point nuclear power plant. Reactors number 1 and 2 have suffered major damage from turkeys attacking the station. These turkeys have also been reported to have killed residents in the surrounding areas. Residents are asked to evacuate. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. If available, bring firearms to defend yourself from these turkeys.